There's breaking news out of the UK this morning. The Supreme Court in Britain has rejected Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's plan to deport asylum seekers to Rwanda. The court calling the plan unlawful. Abby Kugathasan now outside the courthouse with those breaking details. Abby.
Good morning, Heather. A central pillar of Rishi Sunak's premiership has been knocked down by the Supreme Court. The 5 Supreme Court justices ruling that the Rwanda scheme is unlawful. Now, the UK policy looked to deport asylum seekers to Rwanda, where from there they could apply for refugee status, wait for their claims to be processed, and if rejected, they would be sent back to their country of origin. Now, the court saying that Rwanda is not a safe place for refugees. The UK government had previously said that this policy would help deter people from making that dangerous crossing across the English Channel. But human rights groups have repeatedly said that this is a cruel policy and that the UK was looking to sidestep its international obligations, including that obligation to the UN with the UN Convention as well. But again, this has been a central pillar of the Rishi Sunak government. He has now said that this was not the outcome that they had wanted, but they had been preparing for all eventualities. We should hear more details from him when he gives a news conference later today. But again, a massive part of his mandate, of the policies that he has been pushing. And this has been something that the Tory government, not just this one, but the last 3, I should say, under Johnson, under Truss, and under him, have been saying is central to their government. 18 months in the making. It's gone through 3 prime ministers, 4 home secretaries. But again, the Supreme Court ruling that this Rwanda policy is unlawful, Heather.
Thank you, Abby. Abby Kugathasan with the breaking news in London this morning.